Good day guys! Camping na naman. For today's video, birthday camping. Kasi birthday ko ngayon. So nag-decide kami na magpa-reserve sa Caliraya Surf Camp sa Cabinti, Laguna. And ngayon on the way kami. So meron dong fishing, kayak, tapos marami pang iba. So kita-kita tayo dun guys. Samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Oh, we'll go down. Oh, ba tayo dito, baby? Dito lang tayo kasi bawal dyan mag-swim. No, dito lang tayo sa gilid. Huwag na, dito na. Bilis. Check natin dito yung kung ano-ano. Ito, yung mga stone, no? Oh, may ano? Baby. Oh? Suso. Oh, it's a suso. Ay, no? Ay, no? Gumagalaw. Nata mo? Ay, no? Gumagalaw siya, oh. Laki. Tapos may mga spider na nasa water, yun, no? Tinan mo. And water lilies. That's water lilies, baby.
Snail. This is a snail shell.
Fish, yun. Ito mo? Yun. Yung fish, yun. Small. Ah, diba? Nakita mo? It's fish.
Put it back there. Put it. No.
Baby. Kaway ka, baby. Hello, guys. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Yung small fish, oh. Dito tayo. And ayun ang ating tent. Oh, may nag-fishing doon, baby, oh. Ibang pa. Fishing. First night namin, pagkain, paper lunch, salad, at
Sigaw na bangus.
yung bangus. Nice.
Kain! 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 Ang nahiwa.
The sun dips low and the fire's aglow. Laughter rising as the cool winds blow. We gather around for another story night. Family close by, hearts feeling light. From city rush to this peaceful retreat, nature's rhythms guiding our wandering feet. A blanket of stars above the world so grand. Together here we make our stand, singing songs in a wild, familiar Galliero style. With every mile we find a reason to smile. Stories shared and dreams unfold around this campfire. We're rich as gold. Under the stars we all belong. The night is young, let's sing our song. Rivers whisper and the crickets tune, softly playing beneath the gentle moon. Every shadow dances, every tree
Good morning. Lady, say good morning, lady. Salad. Salad.
Nakagas na. Hindi, nakatiis ka lang. Baby ko yun. Go. baby coffee.
Pinost ko muna kasi humarang yung Milo niya eh. Huwag mong iharang ano. Ay nako!
After namin mag-almusal, so lumabas kami kasi may tindahan doon sa mismong entrance ng campsite. Bumili lang kami ng uling, tapos ibang snacks na kulang kasi nga magpe-prepare na kami ng handa. Bali yung araw na to, ito na yung mismong birthday ko. So itong way na to, medyo maputik siya nung araw na to. Kasi umulan nito. Bali onting lakad lang to papasok. Tapos yun na yung mismong campsite sa bandang dulo. Oh, may pababa pala dun, oh. So guys, bisitahin ko yung yung pamingwit ko. Namingwit kasi ako kanina. Sayang. Hindi ko magat yung isa, matigan lang. Pero check natin. Shopee lang.
Swing! Good job!
Yan. Meron din, baby, look at this. Meron din ditong ganito. Parang, ito guys, oh. Alam ko parang kinakain kapag lumaki. Sinisip-sip yung ano nito. Binabasag yung puwet. Tas sip-sip. Ang dami rin ditong shells, oh. Itong mga nagpalalaro sa tubig. Yan. Pakita mo yung ano mo, baby. Smile, baby. Smile.
Ah, it's so bright.
It's so bright, the sun. Let's go, walk. Punta tayo dito, baby. This is makahiya, baby. Ayun na, makahiya. Pag tinouch ko siya, tinan mo. Ha? Parang touch mo. Ito pa. Ito. Ayan. Touch mo, ito. Touch it. Diba? Nagka-close siya.
Look, it's
Nagka-close.
going down.
Hmm.
Going down. Wow.
Ano? Diba? Ito, this part. Touch it. Ha? Tara, let's go dito. Let's go. Let's go. May flowers pala dito, baby, oh. Flowers.
Oh, butterfly.
It's flowers.
Yeah.
Tapat mami, oh. Kaya mami. English, punta ka din kay mami. Big fishing rod. Fishing rod. Na walang huli. Anong yung niluluto?
Na pasta.
Tuna
Pasta pa. Pasta pa lang.
Pasta with tuna. Tuna pasta.
Dalawang batch ko sa.
Dalawang batch kasi maliit lang.
Hindi ko na. Hmm.
Lola. Ito, bagsak eh. Aga pa, bagsak na. Hapon. Hapon.
We lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky, painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust.
Diba? Sinong magsasabi na hindi pwedeng masarap ang pagkain pa?
Ako naman yan, video ko nga. Yung sarap oh.
Kain na kayo.
Constellations will find a way through the celestial symphony. We'll sway with every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom, love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. The shimmering galaxies will find our way. Guided by love's everlasting sway.
Hanggang dito na lang yung video natin guys. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin and thank you sa mga nakasama namin. Honestly, sobrang nagandahan kami sa campsite kasi nga may mga activity kahit paano. And good din siya sa mga pets and also sa bata. So thank you ulit. Hanggang sa susunod na video guys. Maraming salamat. Ingat palagi.